Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to get root access on Termux, alright, without rooting your phone. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to update our repositories. To do that, we're going to type the command apt update and apt upgrade, alright, and you're going to click on enter. And now your Termux should update and upgrade its repositories. So alright, let's just wait a little bit for this to finish upgrading. Okay, alright. After your update has been completed, the next command we're going to be typing is apt install wget, because the package we're going to be installing to get root access is a wget package. So you're going to type the command apt install wget, and we're going to install proot as well. So you're going to type apt install proot to install proot. Alright, now after installing proot, the next command we're going to be typing is the command apt install git. Alright, oh, proot was a mistake, apt install git. Alright, so okay, the command we're going to be installing is a git package, so we're going to type the command apt install git. Alright, and then this should take a little bit of time as well. Alright, git has been installed. So after installing git, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to clone into the Ubuntu Sh. Alright, we're going to clone into MFG Gaming Ubuntu. So to do that, you're going to type the command git clone, then the Ubuntu link, you're going to paste that. Alright, so you can get all the links in the description below, so just go to descriptions to get the links. So you're going to type the command cd ubuntu in termux. After cloning into Ubuntu, then you're going to type the ls command, alright, to see the list of the packages in the Ubuntu directory. And as you can see, we have the readme package and Ubuntu Sh. So we're going to give Ubuntu Sh storage permission. To do that, we're going to type the command chmod +x ubuntu.sh. Alright, ubuntu.sh. Now after that, as you can see, Ubuntu has turned green. So after that, we're going to install Ubuntu sh. To do that, we're going to type the command /ubuntu.sh. Alright, and you're going to click on enter. Now we should be installing Ubuntu soon. So we're just going to wait a little bit for the installation to be completed. Alright, Ubuntu has been successfully installed. Now as you can see, new folders are now in our directory, and the start ubuntu.sh folder is the folder we need to get root access. So we're going to launch Ubuntu by typing the command /start ubuntu.sh, and as you can see, we are now in the root directory of our terminal. Alright, so to give storage permission to Ubuntu, you're going to type the command ln-s and the working directory of your home directory. So if you actually don't know how to do this, check the description below. I am going to paste all the commands to this in the description. And please, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notifications. This will help and motivate us to do more videos like this. And please, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below and I'll reply you as soon as I can. Goodbye.